Hello, boys and girls. I'm Mr. Panda. I'm the substitute today. Ms. Jasinski couldn't be here, so I'm going to do some math with you. So, on my first problem in the PMT, it says Carmen has a roll of paper that is blank feet long, and she cuts paper into pieces that are blank foot long. So, if I have 4, that is what I am sharing, and that is how long the paper is. So, I simply put the 4. And over here, I have to put my fraction. One is the numerator, put that on top. 9 is the denominator, I put that on the bottom. Oh, look at that. Pandas are smart. I always knew it. Let's go on to the next one. So now this time I'm going to have to figure out this problem. It says April has 8 fruit bars. She cuts the bars into halves. How many half-size bars pieces does she have? So let's look at the board to see how to solve that problem. Oops, that's the wrong problem. We start off with what she has. She has the 8 fruit bars. And it says she's dividing them, or sharing them, or cutting them, I think the proper word was, into half pieces. Now, us pandas know this thing called KFC. Hopefully, Miss Jasinski taught you that by now. I'm going to keep this first number of 8. I have to flip this second number. The second number is a fraction, which is a half. Flip it upside down. Now it becomes 2/1. That C stands for change. I change of a division into multiplication. This whole number, Miss Jasinski told me, she taught me that the whole number is really over 1. So now I just simply multiply. 8 times 2 is 16 over that 1, and it is really 16. So I'm going to put my answer there. Let's see. Of 16. Whoa, look at that. Another problem correct. Now this next one, they're asking a little bit something different. They're asking you the problem, the equation actually. So 2 friends share 1/5 of the large pie. What fraction of the whole pie does each friend get? So if I'm taking 2 friends and I'm telling what they're sharing 1/5 of the pie. So this is what I need to do to solve that. I have my 1/5. And who's sharing it? I'm dividing that into 2 friends. Now, KFC, us pandas like KFC. I'm going to keep this 1/5. I have to flip the second number. Second number is a 2. Whole number though, so really it's over 1. Now I have to flip it. That becomes 1/2. Change a division to multiplication. Solve. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 2 is 10. But what they're asking, don't forget, is the equation, the multiplication equation. So I'm going to have to put that in my first box. Then I'll put the answer of 1/10. So I do fraction, oopsie. There we go. 1/5. 1 is my numerator. 5 is my denominator. Come outside the box. These are always tricky. Then I have to multiply that. And I need another fraction. And the other fraction was 1 over 2 after I flipped that. Then I could put my answer down here. And And my answer, as you remember, because pandas are so smart, was 1/10. Whoa, look at that. 3 for 3. All right, Mr. Panda is going to do one more with you before I call it a day. So now, this is a multi-step problem here. Oops, no. This one, I'm sorry. Only kidding. Ha ha ha. Next one's the same type of problem. I wanted to go to number 5. This is a multi-step one. Sonia has 4 sandwiches. She cuts each sandwich into fourths and gives away 6 pieces. How many 1/4 sandwich pieces does she have now? So let's go to the board. She has 4 sandwiches, it said. She's going to cut them. She's going to divide them into 1/4 pieces. I gotta solve this first before I tell you how many she gives away. This whole number is over 1. I gotta keep it. This 1/4, I'm flipping. That also becomes 4 over 1. Division, I changed to multiplication. 16 is my answer, but remember, she gives 6 pieces away. So now I have to take that 16. I'm giving something away, so now that's subtraction. 16 minus 6, that brings you to 10. So how many pieces does she have left? Sonia has 10 pieces. And of course, Mr. Panda is right. So I hope you enjoyed my video today. Tell Mr. Jasinski I said hi. Do all your work, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.